To quickly record voiceover in Canva, this is a video design I'm working on and I want to record a voiceover. Just go over to upload, click on record yourself, and you will see that you can record a talking head, you can record a voiceover, and can generate an AI voice. Click on record voiceover, and this will pop out. If you have more than one microphone, you can click on the settings here and choose the microphone you're working with. And I'm using my system audio. I'm going to click out and you click on record. There will be a countdown timer and you start recording in today's video on whatever it is that you want to say. After you're done recording, you click on finish, or if you want to pause and check something, you can pause from here. If you want to delete your recording, you can do that from here. I'm going to click on finish and the audio will be uploaded to your upload tab. If you go over to upload and go back here and come over to audio, you can see the audio you recorded here. You can actually download it if you want to download it into your PC and use it in projects outside of Canva. And you see something that happened with the audio. To stretch out the audio, it automatically give it a new page for the audio for you to place other elements you want to start working with. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.